in front of you, wear this with confidence, okay? And always remember that as you wear these beautiful dresses, wear this with joy, with kindness, and with humility. And these beautiful dresses reminds us that how God loves you so much. So you may continue to grow in faith, in love, and vision. So happy 7th birthday, Gina. We love you and God bless.
Thank you so much, Pastor Ercy Jacinto. And
Here, when I pick the two dresses, you love this one. Bakit kaya? Favorite niya kasi ang mermaid. But still, I choose the red. Why, baby? Red means love, and means you will fight for the love. Okay? I want you to be like mommy. Tita, mahilig kayo mag-dress up, right? Because this is your personality. Enjoy your party, enjoy being a kid. But when